2 and back, 3 back, 4 back, and 5 slide and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that you will do only another step, but then we will get up, take our leg with the side, and starting to warm up our hips and mobility our hips. So we starting slowly, get sit, our knee looking on our feet in the side. So good work. Let's work it. So take it in 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. Let's change the leg. So take the feet, our hips looking in the left side, and our knee on our socks, not like that. Okay, let's work. Sit and up, 2 and up, 3 and up, 4 and up, 5 and get back. Sit and stretch our leg more and more. So relax, take your breath and back. So after that, when we will do that, we will get sit on the floor. Take our leg in the position which we will start today, and we work with our hips because you must feel your middle split and your hips. So we moved and warm up with this moves our body and feeling good our hips. So let's change the other leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good work. So we will get in this position and move our hip, our leg not like that. We will move our leg a little bit more in the side and take turn in the side. So we will get sit and slowly go down and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take 2 legs together. Take your breath and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. I hope that you like this stretching and do that because it's very good for your body. So I hope that you like it. Subscribe, you write me good comments and do question my other videos. So bye bye.
Вот и так, кстати, нужно соединить и с сиденьем, с вот этими наклонами, и ты можешь их и внизу сделать, и наверху, и вот это.
А ты хочешь сначала, ты скупила наклоняла, потом сняла на воду,
Да,
а потом положила их?
Да, ты будешь прямо такое. Сиденье совершенно.
Может, когда начать?
Два сюда,
Это новое место, тут яркий, новое сад.
это очень красиво.
А вот так вот лучше или наоборот?
Очень красиво, спасибо. И так, и так.
Hello everybody, today we will work with our hips and middle split and how to stretch and warm up our legs very good for that you can see in future in good middle split. So stay with me and look inside. So first exercise which we will do, I will show you now. We will start to move our leg and back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back. Take your elbows and stretch down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, we will take 2 blocks and use them. We will take it and sit on them. So, like that. After that, we will open our hips and starting point with this knee. We take move 1, move another. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take our elbows and move in